Hello, and welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving deep into a subject that's close to many people's hearts and minds: yoga and its profound impact on mental health and wellness. Whether you're a seasoned yoga practitioner or someone who's curious about starting, this episode is for you. I'll cover how yoga works on both a physical and mental level, and discuss why it's increasingly recognized as a powerful tool for improving mental health. By the end, I hope you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the ways yoga can truly transform your life. So, let's dive in. At first, we will try to know, what is yoga and how does it relate to mental health? To understand how yoga supports mental health, it helps first to understand what yoga actually is. The term yoga derives from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to unite or to join. In its original context, yoga is all about creating unity between the mind, body, and spirit. Unlike many physical exercises, yoga isn't solely about building muscle or flexibility, although these are wonderful side effects. Instead, yoga is a holistic practice that combines postures, known as asanas, breathing exercises, pranayama, and meditation, dhyana. This holistic approach encourages you to work not just on physical fitness, but also on mental clarity, inner peace, and emotional resilience. Unlike many physical exercises, yoga isn't solely about building muscle or flexibility, although these are wonderful side effects. Instead, yoga is a holistic practice that combines postures, known as asanas, breathing exercises, pranayama, and meditation, dhyana. This holistic approach encourages you to work not just on physical fitness, but also on mental clarity, inner peace, and emotional resilience. Yoga has been used for thousands of years to help individuals manage stress, anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. Today, even modern research recognizes yoga as an effective complement to traditional mental health therapies. For many, yoga has become a bridge between the physical and the psychological, a way to bring stability to both the mind and body. Secondly, we will know how yoga affects the brain and nervous system. When it comes to mental health, the brain and nervous system play crucial roles, and yoga is known to impact both positively. Let's look at some of the physiological effects that yoga has on the brain and the nervous system. First, yoga helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is also known as the rest and digest system. Many of us spend our days in a state of fight or flight due to stress, which is managed by the sympathetic nervous system. This chronic activation can lead to issues like anxiety, high blood pressure, and sleep problems. By shifting us into a more relaxed state, yoga helps reduce stress and encourages a sense of calm and balance. On a chemical level, yoga helps to regulate certain neurotransmitters that are linked to mood. For instance, it boosts the production of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, which helps calm the brain and reduce anxiety. Additionally, yoga practices that involve meditation and mindfulness have been shown to increase levels of serotonin, the feel-good hormone that helps alleviate symptoms of depression. Furthermore, studies show that yoga increases gray matter density in regions of the brain involved in emotion regulation, self-control, and attention. This suggests that regular yoga practice could help enhance focus, improve mood, and create greater emotional resilience. Thirdly, we will discuss how yoga can help with specific mental health conditions. Let's delve into some specific mental health conditions and examine how yoga can help manage and alleviate symptoms. Anxiety. Yoga is especially effective in managing anxiety. The breathing exercises in yoga help slow down an anxious, racing mind and increase oxygen intake, which naturally calms the body. Yoga teaches mindfulness, helping practitioners stay present and reduce worrying about the past or future. 2. Depression. Depression can leave people feeling lethargic, unmotivated, and disconnected. Yoga, particularly styles that focus on gentle stretching and breathing, can boost energy levels and promote a sense of accomplishment. Studies have shown that yoga increases serotonin levels, which is especially beneficial for people dealing with depressive symptoms. 3. PTSD and trauma. Yoga is becoming increasingly recognized as a valuable tool in trauma recovery. Certain practices, like trauma-sensitive yoga, are specifically tailored to help people reconnect with their bodies in a safe and controlled way. Trauma-sensitive yoga allows individuals to experience mindfulness without triggering the fight-or-flight response, which is particularly valuable for those with PTSD. 4. Addiction. Recovery. Yoga can play a key role in addiction recovery as it helps people reconnect with their bodies and emotions without judgment. The mindfulness techniques learned in yoga support individuals in recognizing cravings and triggers without reacting impulsively. Practicing yoga as part of a recovery process can foster self-discipline, self-love, and a healthier approach to life. 5. Insomnia and sleep issues. Chronic sleep issues are often related to stress, anxiety, and depression. Yoga helps release tension, calm the nervous system, and prepare the body for sleep. Studies have found that people who practice yoga regularly report improved sleep quality and reduced insomnia symptoms. Now we talk about types of yoga for mental wellness. Not all yoga styles are the same, and certain types are more beneficial for mental health than others. Here are a few styles that are especially known for their positive impact on mental wellness. 1. Hatha Yoga. Hatha is a gentle, foundational form of yoga. It's a great place to start for beginners because it combines basic postures with breathing techniques at a slow pace. Hatha yoga is effective in calming the nervous system and reducing stress, making it beneficial for mental health. 2. Vinyasa Flow. Vinyasa is a more dynamic style that links movement with breath. It can be helpful for people who have high energy levels or for those dealing with anxiety, as it allows a physical outlet for restless energy while promoting concentration and mindfulness. 3. Yin Yoga. Yin Yoga is a slow-paced style of yoga that involves holding poses for longer periods. It's particularly effective in promoting relaxation, releasing deep-seated tension, and improving mental focus. It's often recommended for people who want to work on patience and mindfulness. 4. Restorative Yoga. This is perhaps the most relaxing form of yoga. Restorative yoga involves gentle poses that are supported by props, allowing the body to completely relax. It's fantastic for stress relief and works wonders for people who are feeling mentally or physically exhausted. 5. Kundalini Yoga. Kundalini is a spiritually oriented form of yoga that involves chanting, breathwork, and repetitive movements. It's known for bringing a strong sense of inner peace and can be especially beneficial for those looking to connect with a deeper sense of purpose or self-awareness. Now we talk about integrating yoga into your life for lasting benefits. Consistency is the key when it comes to reaping the mental health benefits of yoga. Yoga doesn't have to be an intensive, hour-long practice every day. It can be as simple as a few minutes of breathing exercises in the morning or a short meditation at night. 1. Start small. If you're new to yoga, start with a few minutes a day and gradually increase your practice time. Even a small amount of yoga can make a significant difference in your mental health. 2. Focus on your breath. A big part of yoga's mental health benefits come from the breathing techniques. Try practicing deep breathing exercises, known as pranayama, whenever you feel stressed or anxious. 3. Incorporate mindfulness. While yoga asanas are physical, the real transformation happens when you bring mindfulness into your practice. When you practice, pay attention to how your body feels in each pose and let go of any judgment. This mindful approach can be carried into daily life, helping you stay present and focused. 4. Consistency over perfection. Don't aim for a perfect practice. Yoga is about the journey, not the destination. Regular practice, even if it's imperfect, will help you develop mental resilience and emotional stability. In conclusion, yoga is truly a unique practice in that it serves both body and mind. Through the powerful combination of breathwork, mindfulness, and movement, it can help relieve stress, reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, improve sleep, and promote an overall sense of well-being. The mental health benefits of yoga are numerous and scientifically supported, which is why it's often recommended by mental health professionals as a complementary practice. So, if you've been thinking about giving yoga a try, or if you've practiced it sporadically in the past, consider making it a regular part of your life. The journey is ongoing, and each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to a healthier, more balanced state of mind and body. Thank you for listening today. Remember, taking time for yourself, even if it's just a few minutes on the mat, is an investment in your mental health.